Yeah, sir, I just want to talk to you about generally your experience about today's symposium and how do you feel about this event and this collaboration between Pepperdine University and NDIM?
Oh well, it's been quite some time that I visited NDIM, so this is a great pleasure for me and good opportunity for me to visit NDIM. The background is the global symposium which NDIM is conducting in collaboration with Pepperdine University. I work for an American company. We manufacture sensors out of US. We are known as disruptive technology company.
Okay.
And it is right time that we, academia and business and the society should come together to really understand the global challenges which we are facing today and what it means for business, what it means for individuals, what it means for employees, customers, stakeholders and the community at large. So with the initiative which has been taken by NDIM, I'm quite happy that such a eminent delegation from Pepperdine University is visiting, and I was participating in one of the sessions which is leadership in context, and in that context we tried to deliberate upon what are the main challenges which are there globally, and in those circumstances what does it mean for academia and what does it mean for the business, and how do we really need to find out what are the global trends and what are the challenges faced by organizations, be it a government or a public sector, private sector organizations. We identified 4 or 5 areas where one can do collaborative research along with NDIM, and I'm happy to say that a couple of themes which were identified were, one is the healthcare, the other was the millennial leadership, the other was about the leadership, which is in general leadership about what is success, for example, and how we need to, what are the different leadership styles which are there. So very many sub-contexts within the one larger context of leadership as a whole we try to identify. So I'm very happy to interact with the university delegation and the person who was chairing it, Professor Dr. J.K. Mitra. So it's a great pleasure to come here again. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Pleasure.